Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Yamaha Zuma 125 motor scooter. This thing is electric start, disc brakes, front and rear, automatic transmission, 125 cc's. It's got the nice little touring windscreen, and best of all, 1 mile on the odometer. This bike was purchased in August, and the owner couldn't ride it because of health problems. So you get a bike under factory warranty through August with only 1 mile. Come on by and check it out. Make your Zuma 125 dreams come true for just $37.90. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. With any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.